How to add your business location on Instagram. In order to do that, let's click on these three lines first, and then from in here, scroll down until you can see the account, tools, and controls. So you can head over and click on this account type. And from in here, click on this switch to special account. Click on continue until reach the end. And then let's head over and then just choose which one you want to do with this. I actually selected entrepreneur and click on done. Now click on OK, and as you can see, this will switch us into a professional account. Now let's select in here business and click on next. Now that we have done that, we need to head over and then just add in here this. We can now see in here this business address. So you can head over and add in here your business address if you want. So for example, let's put in here Minnesota. So you can just search for this right here. And then once you have searched for that, you can see in here the selections for the location. Head over and add that and save that. And then click on next. And then after you have done that, this will be added on your actual profile on your Instagram. So that's how you add business location on Instagram. Hope you helped.